Doctors are asking Utahns to be vigilant as they closely watch for the new, more contagious strains of COVID-19.
We are finally seeing a dip in positive case counts, but doctors now asking everyone to keep up the good work and not become complacent. Fox
13's Sydney Glenn spoke with an infectious disease doctor at Intermountain Medical Center today. And Sydney, what does he credit for these lowering case counts?
Dr. Brandon Webb here at Intermountain says there's two reasons we're probably seeing this positive trend. He says people are listening, they're social distancing, they're wearing masks. He also says it's about the number of people who have been vaccinated so far, coupled with the number of people who have had COVID-19 in the last 3 months, so they're experiencing some sort of immunity.
It means that the state is doing the right things and that the community is pulling together.
As Utah sees a second day in a row with less than 600 new COVID-19 cases, Dr. Brandon Webb says he's pleased.
And I think that it's a factor of two things. One is that people are doing a good job staying committed to social distancing and mask wearing. And at the same time, as we get more and more people vaccinated.
Webb says between the more than 500,000 COVID-19 vaccinations given and the people who have had COVID-19 in the last 3 months, Utah has seen a level of immunity in about 20% of the population.
And it's not enough, but it is helping.
The race to get people vaccinated is more complex than just wanting people to have immunity. It's also to stop another spread.
Everything that we're able to do at the state level, at the Department of Health level, and as a community engaging in the vaccination process will pay off as we as a state try to get as many people vaccinated as quickly as possible so that these variants of concern don't have an opportunity to take seed.
The new variants are believed to be more contagious, and we have seen some cases of one of the strains here in Utah. Dr. Webb says it's not simple to test for them, but they are watching for trends and symptoms of these cases as they race against the clock.
If one of those is able to become a dominant feature and outcompete the current strain, that could cause our case numbers to go up again.
Right now, the rolling 7-day average for COVID-19 cases here in Utah is more than 900, a number that Dr. Webb says is still far too high, but he says he is optimistic that we are going to continue to see this downward trend in cases. Live in Murray, Sydney Glenn, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Healthcare leaders are urging everyone who is eligible to please get vaccinated against COVID-19. If weather conditions or any other complications mean that you cannot make your vaccination appointment, do not worry. All you can do is just cancel and then reschedule completely online. Pretty easy process. So far, about 525,000 Utahns have been vaccinated.